Donde está mi gente? Oh, we're calling all J Balvin and Madame Tussauds fans because a new wax figure has joined the iconic museum.
General Manager of Madame Tussauds, Gabriel Hewitt, is here to chat about the Jewel City launch of the global Latin superstar. Good morning, how you doing?
Good morning, thank you for having us.
We're very happy to have you, and this is enthralled us and kind of freaked us out in equal measure because it's like J Balvin is here in studio. The facial expression, the eyes, just have it all. It's everything. So thank you for bringing him in to us to come and see him this morning. You've had this Jewel City launch. How has that gone?
It's went really well. It's been a lot in planning, J Balvin being involved. He finally showed up and got into New York and did the side-by-sides, launched both figures in New York for us. So he'll have twin figures, one in New York and one in Vegas.
It's insane.
So part of the freaky part about this is just how lifelike he looks. So what sort of goes into this kind of process? I mean, does J Balvin have input? You know, what is this like?
The talent absolutely has input. So the process takes a total of about a year. The first stages of it are we do a setting with the talent is involved, we come do the measurements. They still use the same techniques they did 250 years ago when Madame Tussauds created this brand. Then it goes from there, turns over to the artist team of sculptors, painters, and all of that. It's a team of about 20. It takes them about 4 to 6 months, over 500 or 5,000 hours to bring this art to life.
I mean, that's the thing, and that's what I was going to ask you next. We're watching some of this, and our viewers are watching some of this footage at home. The intricate, you know, the minute details to trying to match hair color, trying to match everything. Clearly this team is dedicated and knows exactly what they're doing, and the hours that go in. I don't think a lot of people appreciate that, you know, the amount of energy and effort that goes into just one of these figures.
Absolutely. I mean, it's a team. A team, like a whole village brings this art to life. Yeah. So it's unbelievable.
Now he's rocking a really, I would call it a fresh fit here. So does he have input in that as well, or do you guys choose what they wear?
No, the talent actually has input. He donated this outfit. So this is actually from his Vibras ethos tour that he did in 2019. He donated the outfit to us, inspired the jewelry that's on him from bottom to top. He was involved in the whole entire process.
I got to ask, what was his reaction, and what is the typical reaction? Is it pretty standard? Are you guys used to how people respond when they see their wax figure?
Absolutely. It's kind of funny because it's like they're beside themselves when they come out.
Literally,
they're totally shocked. Yeah. Every one of them they want to touch. Lots of times they kiss their figure. It's pretty amazing because they're just like, wow, I get to kiss myself. So.
It's so great. I mean, when somebody walks into the museum, though, I mean, there's all sorts of other iconic figures there as well. So where can people catch J Balvin? Where along the museum is he going to be located?
So he'll be in our main room, our Club T room. It's our party club. He'll be associated with Steve Aoki, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, Khloe Kardashian. They're all in this room. As soon as you turn in, he'll be welcoming everybody to his whole set that he helped design as well.
You guys have locations all over the globe, obviously, you know, London and New York and Vegas. What do you think continues to draw people to this location here?
It's the uniqueness, our host city relevance, how we really bring Vegas into what the Madame Tussauds is and what people are trying to expect here. That's a big overtaking that we go through when we're trying to select the right talent for our attraction. Each site goes kind of really trying to develop their host city relevance and make sure that they're celebrating the city that they're in. So we do a lot of pop culture and a lot of people that you would see coming in and out of Vegas, which really sets us apart from everybody else.
Well, you personally see a lot of iconic figures come in and out of the museum. Is there anything for you personally that's like the favorite part for you of the process?
Lots of times it's the launches because you actually get to meet the talent and you see them get excited about their figure being created. We had launched Dwayne Johnson a couple years ago, and it was amazing seeing him come in, interact with guests, do scare stunts where he was hiding behind a pillar, jumping out, photobombing. It's amazing when we get to do that because you have the guest interaction and the talent interaction on the site, and everybody just leaves with a smile on their face.
You currently have a promotion going on at the Las Vegas location?
We do. For a limited time, we want to really celebrate our locals in the Nevada residents, so we have an offer. It's $10 off. It's $33.99. Just show your ID at the box office and you can get into the
Wonderful.
attraction.
Thanks for joining us this morning and bringing by a special guest here. For more information to plan your next visit or to take advantage of the special offer, visit MadameTussauds.com/Las-Vegas.